Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add non-Steam games to your Steam Deck. So in order to do this, first we'll need to turn on the desktop mode, so leave the family view as a second step. Next is to press on the power key. It's the button right here. You should see switch to desktop. And right now, when you get the control over the mouse cursor, you'll be able to open the Steam. Click on Add Game, Add Non-Steam Game. And now you can browse and search through the non-Steam games on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.